Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Okay. Children, do you remember that recently SFA games were conducted in our schools? Sports for all. No? Yes. Many of you took part in that. Many of you participated in SFA games. No, children? Yes, even our Vignan school got many medals and more certificates and medals to our Vignan schools only. No? Yes, you're right. So during these SFA games, you went for practice. No, children. During these SFA games practice, even sometimes the classes also, we reduced the timetable of the classes and we have given extra time to the you people who took part in the SFA games, like different categories, like 100 meters running, 200 meters running, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, okay, throw ball, volleyball. So like this, in different categories, many of you took part, no? So to get your goal, to reach your goal, okay, to get the success, what you did? Any answers? Yes, you practiced a lot, very good. And still, when you are on the way, okay, you take just it is a running race. You and your friend, both of you are running. So you want to get the first position. Then what you will do? You will struggle a lot. You will struggle a lot to get the success. No? Yes. Okay. So this struggle, even what is our previous chapter? If you struggle a lot and if you put full efforts in that, so you will get success, obviously. No, children? Yeah. In the previous chapter, modern history, we discussed what we discussed. You all remember? What are those? Yes, you are right. They are like a revolt of 1857, and what are the causes for it? Causes for the failure. And next, what are the consequences? These also you all know. Okay. After this revolt of 1857, okay, how was the society? Just till now we discussed about struggle, a word struggle. So here even the struggle, we have struggled for what, children? For what we struggled? Yeah, different answers from you. We struggled for independence. We struggled for freedom. Okay. Many people struggled for freedom. Okay. That today's our topic is the struggle for independence. What is our topic? Yes. The struggle for independence. No, we struggled a lot. Finally, we got success. Okay. And we got freedom, means independence on 15th August 1947. But we are not there at that time. No, children. But how our great leaders took effort to give us freedom, to give us this happy life. Now we are enjoying when we have many rights also. No, children, right to education. Okay. Still many right to work. Like this, we have many rights. Who gave these rights to us? Who made us to live peacefully? No? So we have to thank them all once. Why? Because you already know in many pictures you see, children, that like where they showed the British ruling. Even in Telugu, one of the pictures that during Nizam Hyderabad, when last time we discussed about Turebas Khan, he opposed the leaders during the revolt of 1857. No, yes, even in our Hyderabad also, like the regional Nizams, okay, Nizam rulers, even British's effect was there. So how we troubled, they troubled us a lot, you know, they troubled, you know. Yes, you know how we know? By seeing cinemas, okay, by listening from us, others saying like this, that, okay, that even we have in the books also. If you take the Telugu movie Rajana, where we have Nagarjuna as a hero in that. No, children, how they treated the people at that time, it's so bad. No, yes. Now that situation is not there in the society. Is it there? No. How? Because many great leaders, they sacrificed their life, children. They sacrificed their life and they given us this freedom. No? Yeah. So here we'll discuss, in this chapter we'll discuss what are the changes after the revolt of 1857 took place in the country, and what the Britishers felt, okay, and what are the main leaders, and what ways they approached to fight for the freedom. Okay, yes. See here, first we will discuss about changes in the society. Changes in the society after revolt of 1857. So here, what changes took place in the society? Here, children, earlier we discussed that if you will go for any competitive exam, you are ready to go for competitive exams. Yes, obviously after your when you go to higher classes and even in your higher educations, you have to be. Okay, so if we'll get failure once, then next time we'll get the planning how to get ready for that exam. No, even in the school also we'll conduct many games, many sports to you people. Okay, once almost we need not to think like that, but sometimes maybe if you will get failure also, you will take certain precautions and you will take such a training to get your goal reached in the next like a sport or a game. Okay, children. So here also what happened, even Indians, they felt that yes, when they tried to face the Britishers in revolt of 1857, they got the confidence levels, children. Yeah, very great, no? Yes, they got confidence levels that yes, we have that capacity to fight with the Britishers. But where we have a small backlogs, or where we have a small mistakes or somewhat, we have to put effort to make it clear. Then we are ready to fight with the Britishers. No? So they thought like that, and even they improved themselves in all the angles. In the other hand, what Britishers felt, children? They felt themselves as the superiors and always this treated Indians as inferior people only. Okay, they felt they are the superior people. Yes, we are the leaders. What will say, the Indians has to listen to it. No? Yeah, this was the British people behavior. But whereas Indians, they thought that yeah, we have power, but only what is the lagging power we have, lagging step we have, means just we have to improve us in a different ways where we have a lagging. Like education, people must educate themselves, okay, to fight with the Britishers. In what way they should educate, okay, how they have to get that education to face the Britishers, okay, children. And even here you can see, after this revolt of 1857, what Britishers did, children? They ruled strictly for the benefits of their country. They ruled Indians strictly for the benefit of England. Okay, by collecting more taxes, we discussed in the previous chapter. Okay, and to improve their economy, which they lost in the revolt of 1857. So they treated Indians very rudely and badly, children, and they started very unjust rules and laws in the country. Understood? So to fight with this, to fight with this, some of our leaders, just we discussed that great leaders we have. So they approach different methods. They are like, the leaders are, I told you, they approach different methods. Like they approached, one is social reformation. Okay, social reformation. and another is literary reformation. What is reform? What is reformation? What is reform means, children? Here, reform is nothing but a social movement. A social movement that aims to bring social and political system close to the community. Okay, reform is nothing but it is a social movement. What is a reform, children? It is a social movement which brings social and political social and political system close to the community. That is reform. You all clear what is reform? Yeah, reform is nothing but a social movement which brings social and political changes close to the system, close to the community. Okay, children? Yeah. So this reformation, we have two types here. First, we will discuss about social reformation. Okay? What is social reformation? You know already I told you people that in our country we have social evils. What are social evils, children? Any one of you already we discussed in our previous chapter? No? Yes. You tell me, Samyukta, and you. Okay, Samiksha. Right, you are coming closer to the topic. Still, few of you have to tell me the exact points. Like Kiran, you say. Okay, and Kumar. Fine. So these all the children, they gave the different points to us. Like we have social evils in our country. What are those social evils? Like sati. Okay, sati means burning of a wife along with the dead body of her husband. Okay, and next child marriage, and we have still what we have child labor and many superstitions. These all girl education. They not in the previous days they not allowed the girl to go to school. Okay, they have to be sit at home and they have to mind the domestic work at home. Okay, children. So this was the situation of the society at that time. That is called social evils. So our great leaders, many of our great leaders, they felt that first we have to educate ourselves, then we have to get ready to fight with the British. Okay, how they educated us? Who are those great leaders? I'll tell you a few names, children. They are like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, okay, Swami Vivekananda, okay. Next we can talk about Kandukuri Vireshalingam. He is from our Andhra Pradesh only, children. Kandukuri Vireshalingam. And next Ramabai Ranade from Maharashtra. Okay, these all are the leaders. Not only these, still we have many members. Time being, we can discuss about these leaders, children. Like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Swami Vivekananda, and we have Kandukuri Vireshalingam and Ramabai Ranade, and still other leaders. These leaders, who has taken the step of social reformation. What way they have developed the society? Social reformation is nothing but, children, where the customs and beliefs of the society which is prevailed in our country at that time, they want to change it. Okay, they want to change the customs and beliefs at that time, what they are like social levels, just now we discussed, no? So these people, they want to change it. For that, they stood and they worked to educate the people. Like if you take Raja Ram Mohan Rai, he worked for the Sati and Swami Vivekananda. Even he said that service to mankind is service to God. If we will service to man, It is nothing but we serviced already all even God also. Okay, and we have Kandukuri Veereshwaringam. He is from Andhra Pradesh. Even he in our states like Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, he fought for the social ills. And Ramabai Ranade, she is from Maharashtra. She worked hard for the girl education. She started even schools also for girls. Okay, children. So here these all are the social reformers who worked for the society. Okay, we discuss about each and every one detailed, children. Okay, you can see the photos of those leaders and you can listen about them in a detailed manner. Okay, okay. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Okay, children. He was granted Delhi Grand Akbar to granted him title of Raja. He fought for Sati system and he started a organization. He is the founder of Brahma Samaj and he started Presidency University at and he also started at Nia Sabha Hindu School, and he was born on 22nd May 1772 and died on 27th September 1833. He born in Bengal, children. Okay, now you know about the Raja Ram Mohan Rai. And next we can talk about Swami Vivekananda. Here in the picture you can see the leaders pics, children. Swami Vivekananda also felt the same. Okay, his full name Narendranath Datta. He is an Indian Hindu monk. He was born on 12th Jan 1863, Kolkata, and died on 4th July 1902, Belur. Okay, his guru was Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, and he given a very great quotes, children, like arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. Okay, and next we will discuss about Kandukuri Veereshwaringam Pantulu. He is a social reformer and writer of Madras Presidency. He started a school, Hitakarni, okay, in 1908 in AP. He was born on 16th April 1848, Rajahmundry, and died on 27 May 1919, Chennai, children. And finally, we will discuss about Ramabai Ranade. She is the first women's rights activist and in the 19th century, and she was born on 25th Jan 1863 and died on 25th Jan 1924. She born in Maharashtra and she was well known for women's education. Okay. Okay, next we will discuss about the literary reformation, children. Here, literary reformation, we have a few leaders like they are Dinabandhu Mitra, okay, next we have Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, next Rabindranath Tagore, and after Rabindranath Tagore we can discuss about Raghupati Venkataratnam, okay, Raghupati Venkataratnam, he is from our Telugu states only, children, and Subramanya Bharati. Okay, these all are the leaders who choose to literary reformation. Literary reformation means the leaders who approached the method of literacy, means writing plays, novels, poems, and publishing these and giving it to the society and make the people to read these and to get the feeling of patriotic. Okay, patriotic feeling. So they inspired many people with their literature. Okay, so what they have written here, we can see Dinabandhu Mitra has written Neel Darpan. Neel Darpan discusses about the we have indigo mirror incident. No, Neel Darpan is nothing but indigo mirror. Farmers in the Bihar forced to grow only indigo no children. On that he has written the play which is called Neel Darpan. And next Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, famous for Vande Mataram. Rabindranath Tagore, okay, national anthem Janagana Mana. Raghupati Venkatratnam, and he is also inspired with his literatures. Nearly he is written in many languages, many plays and novels. And Subramanya Bharati, he is also the famous writer with their literatures with this society. And about these leaders we can study in a deep in a next period. Okay children? Fine.